Want two Instagram apps on your iPhone for separate accounts? Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Safari browser on your iPhone. Type in Instagram.com and log into your second Instagram account, the one you want separate from the main app. Now, let's make this account act like its own app. At the bottom, tap on three dots. A menu will open, then tap the Share button. Select More and choose Add to Home Screen. You'll see the Instagram name and icon appear. If you want, you can rename the shortcut before adding it to your home screen. For example, name it Instagram Work or Instagram 2, so you don't get confused. Then tap Add. This will place a new Instagram icon right on your home screen, just like the regular app. Now you have two Instagram icons: the official Instagram app, where you can stay logged into your first account; the Safari shortcut version, where you can stay logged into a completely separate account. Open them both, and you'll see each one works independently. And that's it. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe.